In this ALP short, I'm going to take you through the GCSE 5 Plus English Maths filter in the student performance area so that you can define your intervention groups. Okay, so we're in the student analysis area and I've got a Year 11 monitoring point, MP2. So this is the current predicted grade for Year 11. You can see all of the subjects that each student's doing. And I'm going to apply a comparison group. So in the compare edit, in quick groups, you will see a GCSE English Maths level 5 plus. So if I click in that, I've got these categories. Just going to take the unable to group out so you can see that you've got met in both, below in maths or below in English or below in both. So that's below the level 5. And so if I apply that, I've then got some categories here which I can scroll to. So if I look at met in both, I've got 150 students who've met English and or maths. That's best of English or maths in each one. That doesn't mean to say that they're hitting their MEG. Look at this top student here who's a blue for GCSE maths, so they're getting a grade 5, but actually should be getting a grade 8. So it's just literally a list. Below in maths only, then I've got 32 students who are below in maths. If you notice, this student here has got a 3 for English literature, but for English language it's a grade 5, so it's taken the best of English. And then below in English, then I've got 36 students who are below both in language and lit. And not met in either, 18 students who are sitting below that grade 5 for both. Don't forget though that in here I've got some students who are smashing their MEGs. This student here, for example, smashing their MEGs, so red across the board, but not getting that grade 5. Now, just while we're here then, if we scroll back to the top of this page, the export to Excel button, if you click on that, you can actually export to Excel with those comparison groups appearing in the Excel spreadsheet. So if I just minimize this, then you'll see one that I made earlier. So here's what you get. So there's your year group with their category here, which you can filter by, and you can see in a grid format the English and the maths columns and all of their subjects, in fact, with the colours representative of how close to the MEG they are. That also appears in a report format like this, but I suspect that you're going to find the grid format most easy to work with. So I hope that helps. It's just a quick comparison group in Connect Interactive for you to develop your intervention groups in English and in maths.